obi asebi nensem keka party mo no eku party no efin any negative member and they see yempe sebi we know politics is about numbers it here edom name edom o ba be fiti de yempe na me concern ni bi so okeka yen concerning the very saying city ni nsem ni bawumia nsem I believe say for now enke nyumre nko ade bi nti anyumre obepie ha bi mo na mosimajai MVP makote mo party it can be vote nya and the hopes in we de enke nyumre and e fa ho ben also
am free advice we need 2028 am nkoda mun save mutika
yempe hopes and advice say hopes and what advice bia on farmer or movement for change no monya very strong force because cheddar mpo ye 2024 cheddar onko elections da say be only party structures in na only agent across the country can ABT or in this elections so sometimes
and no 38 no I don't know 38 no
o kasan me yedinti o
me say I don't know 38% no me ka drug
because of respect o kasan me yedinti o it me so be we are not kids in this country to sit here and throw out words and expect say we will just keep quiet like that option you best we need kwan so we jai MPP we which say we be reapply na kawaba na o ma
afia me ba o smart hoyi won kan this asem what makes you what makes you no nyabotre what makes you have the authority to talk about NDC but I don't have authority to talk about MPP please you should stop saying that we are doing politics and we are in democracy. Don't tell me say I should not talk about MPP.
Baby, your party say and I will say there.
Me say monisa 2 minutes of the catch me say me to be MPP asem. It is non-starter.
Suggest to you but opa
me say a non-starter. Man suggest kra. Man suggest.
But someone suggest
me say it is a non-starter. Because who know to be this asem? Who to be this asem? No be to be MPP asem. The cheap of it.
The money landing here, baby.
The cheap of it.
Money landing here, baby. I can't go see. Also, woman in Canamna, Muntima hopes.
There can be Piasam with the Pia. There can be Piasam.
A foot to be sister Pia. Medical can send me to say, ye quite internal elections are home. Ye to Bani we are, Ubia when the constituency within the party. Put him here. The challenger hopes in any party phoning within the MPP is there. Omo constituency na komo establish within the MPP no ekwe kitwebi it's the idea and say we will leave and destroy the party so today they give themselves credit so omo can be tell lose 2024 elections iyate
and we are happy about that.
Hopson, don't do this.
I say that I see money
me say we are happy about that.
You see Stefia, you see I'm a researcher and I like sometimes challenging myself. So would you say who one in the car maybe 1 man year
and then there's water
scientific analysis about these issues. And I make us a cheddar, me the cheddar in front of him. If cheddar had more vote than Alan now, maybe what is the significance of Alan, please? Don't get me wrong, in our Ghanaian politics, in terms of numbers, what is the significance there? It hopes is somewhere for me party in the year and but what is important tonight is the host in can Zambia, this the fear, my name say Ahefo Ebrenano, Ebusa Mo.
It's not better address about me, there's a 2028 or some more.
This the fear, me say 2024 Abana Yekotono. The dynamics are far different from 2028 Abano. The dynamics are far different from 2024 elections. Set tribal cards ever play any role, and I see we free and away free every play role no. When we get to 2028 and a better. But for now, we the New Patriotic Party, no, we know sir, we've gone through these processes before. We've lost elections before. We've boycotted national elections before, and we've come back stronger. This is the fear. This defeat I go through 2024, no, a defeater. It's a learning process for the New Patriotic Party. We've learned our lessons from it. But let nobody, let me state it here tonight. Let nobody deceive himself, say, or no man New Patriotic Party and lose the 2024 elections. Messing who enumerate. I'm saying this on authority because this also been also you free of muna or party ni it is a fallacy. Madam Rebecca said a fictitious narrative. Yeah, the dad down, clan on featuring. This is here. So the reality and the issues on grounds is that the New Patriotic Party will be electing a leader. And we're going to elect Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Hopeson, Obetimi Akwako, Akansem Bonnie be prefer the New Patriotic Party. And I've given you the premises into OSR. Your father no political brand hate. And the reasons is that today we have ideological incompatibility. And as a result of that, everything Hopeson says about the New Patriotic Party is in negative form. We don't have any problem with Hopeson. Hopeson, you can continue on this path. See, Hopeson, you are not God. We've had people telling President Akufo-Addo, this is the fear. Okay, 2012. President Akufo-Addo internal contest a year call. You can find Bronifite be free, Bruchile buying. Emma, by research, our Ghana, Ghana, for you. I say, Akufo-Addo can never be president. Okay, it's our story now. Okay. It could be saying.
That's why I'm saying I hope in case omo
Obi platforms, yes, sir. Alan Tramatic of Bronifita 2012, the neighbor Ghana have a research said Nanado and your president. And I remember by then I was in Kumasi, Alan campaigners in Kumasi on radio stations. Omu Jaya Sumsa 2016 president who be president of Ghana. And Hopeson, let me tell you something.
2012, I throw no Odino. I throw an Odino. 2012.
2012 Muluzui. That's
what say 2012 as someone okay. I throw no Odino. I am putting it to him. Allah go for benefit to him about 2012.
And to make catch Hopeson and you may say, a final map for the New Patriotic Party, no, when you're Gopong, or one vote. And then as you have medical established no, impact. See, this is here, impact in our Ghanaian politics, you know.
Wow. Wow.
Shoes that. This is here.
Wow.
Shoe. Now we try and the hey Hopeson, who are for two Alan, no more president, but enumerate Messebion, semi voice no concern for Fanchami. What is important in the Yakotuaba, the best Ghana for you. What is important is that we went through an election, sir. Context now, within that context, it was very difficult for the New Patriotic Party to win 2024 elections. It was so difficult. Check about when about to challenges that you woman doors. We do admit, and I'm looking you presidential candidate. We will go out there and also talk to the good people of this country. We will make admissions to some of the wrongs of our friends and former government, you know, and plead with Ghanaians. Say, "Boni bi na ya mo fancha yen." But to sit here and tell Hopeson with Obina can say analysis from head to toe, I was not getting it. To be very honest, but truly for the sake of communication purposes, you know, we have to listen to each other on this platform. Okay. But the truth is that Hopeson will not determine the fortunes of the MPP. He don't have the power to do that. If he has any power, this is here. I'm throwing the challenge to Hopeson tonight. Hopeson made me free when you was your crew, you know, said be again. So Hopeson, I will to me be so with my political party before to see here on Fama Alan on your president. I think that is all Alan has dreamt about to be president. Hopeson, please, if you have any power whatsoever, please grant the childhood dream of Chief Alan, let him be president of this country.
Osman, because I can say 2032 so he has already started that process. Anything we have saw the source and I'm a man for joining because
simple. Part and also free. Stop talking about MPP. Focus on our front door. Focus on your part of front door. And the one down who party also will free no. What could on different party? Tomu party ne? Huh? Advertise who party of front door ne? Why MPP every day MPP? Who's all free mo? Yes, no. That's an dozo. On my assume you have MPP. We free mo uncle. A lot of people who friend this mo. One am be friend this mo. But I see win power. And this is in power. What is wrong? Stevia, you can't say, Bawumia, ni bonne why any say or MPP party. Ni bonne why any say. This is the first time Yanya candidates be a wako contest election, will lose election. This is the first time. Oh, say account for the Moody and Moody and people. Samukta Suban, a better din say, Obionia Kenny. Who come back against Obejabi, Obejabi people.
Attacking on Nipa Brian and Chop open Hatan and I don't know the frack and for now part in the minute.
Maybe the credit upon for you.
Yeah, but the accounts. Let me
honest here. No, I'm not doing politics here. I'm not doing politics. But let's be honest here. I saw they be the same way.
Hi, Michael. At the end of your friend, unfair generalizations.
No. Sister Fia. Titi.
And then Japan representing accounts in Brian Champon or representing accounts in into body. Na kan wasem men ko kan akanfo
dem me ka say akanfo ni bi
be one ka bi
okay fine you say akanfo ni bi
even an account issue it's a party thing to stick to the party
sister fine tie me ka akanfo me say akanfo ni bi amu di yenim amu kasa ye
just take ethnicity out of this
no I'm sure Mukasa ye, Mukasa, then you're fine. Step if ya. I never know Koyana, or the Covado, 2 times.
Pious, and I'm Hajidemusu, I can't, Sana. Missy, take ethnicity, take tribalism.
Hold on,
simple.
Sister Fia, hold on. The party I belongs to. Sister Fia, hold on. The party I belongs to. The majorities are accounts. Let's be honest here.
You can't repeat. I think I'm all here difficult on you.
Let's be honest here. Do you have
a party for another? I didn't think cry for.
Let's go. I'm talking about the majority of the party.
It doesn't matter.
Kasa is not good. Kasa for Babel is not good. I never party. And papa, we should stop it. And then this is the first time. Stefia, Mahama, Wabanya vice president. I tell you so. Wabanya president. You too so Babel president.
One kasa camera na we do no. Wow, camera no say there. Why are you na account for na account? I don't know why we can't do. Ras, good evening.
Good evening, Sister Fia.
Patwentio, ye no tough mama na ye wia 15 minutes.
Yeah, pa e chia watie fo nyina. Me sanso chia me anka se me panyin hopeson. And Osman, me chia ye pa wo bo adwuma. Sister, in fact, me go 2 issues na pese me nkasa mfa. First of all, hopeson. I will say me nim say I will say the party chia. You should by force be a leader of the party before you can gain from the party. I don't understand. I've sacrificed for the party and for sure I have to be the leader. Where was Obama? When the parties in America, when what is the name of Clinton and others were building their party? Where was Obama? But later they found out that Obama is somebody who can bring people and they choose him. Being part of a party does not necessarily mean I have to lead because I have suffered. I got you. Before answering about Kotuaba, many of the MPP from Namotium, Yanya, reshuffle. I mean, Papa and Quena reshuffle. Reshuffle is supposed to go to anybody. And to one, it is part of reshuffle. One now to bang baby, oh yeah, Juma, you were the reshuffle. So it's like, we were trying to share the job for everyone. And yes, my year Juma. And this is what you might do. Juma, I hate them people. Okay, you have gone. Go and die. You remain where you are. It is okay. Nobody have nothing to do with you. But moi, I'm seeing your mom for the infrared Juma because a Juma swa. Ye more dear, no more ja. Ye mom for the until one and I was saying, Campam no infrared Juma. And money from a show.
It's the point in saying.
Not to say one he who come for equity must to come with a clean heart. Say o pese nya racial for more be nya adwuma ne binya. Say you were the money papa for be she o side that fan a personal because said en ke betime im papa di no. Say na won you were the also fan the ni papa from America kra na ye nchemfa. I want to go to the second.
If you have a Bisan question about your time, no, your time. Can be Bisan, Wabo Media Casim and can be Bisan question.
You free man, no fanisa.
Me can't say, me fanisa, eti, sa, asam na inconsequential, Miss Rowe.
Obviously, my man come and say you can also talk.
And then my man come and say you can't call my name and misquote me. Me say party the mean come with you. Tis now because inconsequential.
Why can it be inconsequential? Why? Why can it be inconsequential?
I think my money did be massive because
and yes, man, no more with you. Man, misquote to me. Man, no misquote to me. Me can say me person me a party leader. Did I say that here?
You made a mistake.
If you make us say no.
I've never misquoted.
I can say person party leader when they
me can. E challenge over be ka say. Over be ka say Jeremy.
Oh, Mr. Hobbs, no attack a person too much. Let me talk then later you.
Oh, please, Jani Okano. Me nya kwala na me say. Bye. Me nya kwala na me tia no over be ka say rough for say Jeremy. Aba be ka say o ka say too much. What do you mean?
Man, ka say too much. Me say oh man, ko na man ni pan ka say Mr. Hobbs.
O rest are na de chanya na say dey.
Oh, that I've never go against because you let me because I'm not here to attack you. I'm not the sort of person.
And this is me correct one who ajetum. Mama me kasa minja kasa da me you don't know.
Me see my men kasa we now.
I think the point was about say you are fixated on them on any party MPP.
Na omo kasa tia NDC no. NDC for omo one say omo kasa tia.
Politics no be aya.
That's why I need to also do my politics.
There be a point say woman na
we woman na meja intidien. Etime to kasa.
The personal attack and politics are by ideas. Different manner of seeing the things and your personal. And
Oba me attack you personal. Who now be attack me personal?
Mr. Robson, I'm talking
about
the friend Orlando point. Make your
don't be distracted.
Mama, command him. Second thing I want to say, some people call themselves MPP supporters or party members. Now, Mutimiba social media platforms are such a public domain, right? Now, especially those people are people and ask for. I will name what actually happened in this world during COVID. Now, and your mom said, yeah, they don't know nothing about what has happened to the global economy from 2020 to 2023. It shocks me. It actually shocks me because I don't know. Either they do work and home. They don't know nothing what is happening, or I don't know because you will be out here, Bruchile. Now, really, you live life in Europe and you know what is going on now. You actually understand the consequences of what they call COVID and Ukraine war. It is all better now. Nobody catch them and say dollar block also because of the incompetency of bawumia. I don't understand. Men tell us here because you inquire for the first time in the history of this world. Dollar to me who dollar euro console. Euro no and yesika all the European countries in the EU. They are the biggest, richest, the most richest countries in the world. But dollar was able to overcome them. Now see one who say name way nyina. One who so koto aduane wo supermarket. Yesi entodo do here. Ye pen e be ma. Now better ha. No catch them say bawumia incompetency. And I'm one.
Also how long? How long?
Look at what
I think Ralph, and a valid point now we're making Ralph, I think a valid point. See, a global economy in a man near my yes, I never about me incompetency.
Also how?
Yeah, Steve, you're sorry now. I mean, you're coughing. Steve, I am coughing no more cancer. Oh, I see myself brew party, more brew. Because I'm say I'm police no more did there. No, all the catches at their party, Yama Indiana. I cannot catch hopeson bread. Hopes to be a position. No, you don't do one. Hopes I catch it. Say, there means to me free party.
That's
what they do. Same position. Your money position of party. Come on, some Kawanebi. Obi wa blow party no. Come on, once the po wanye bi party no. Na wo am position policy or don't see no buefu.
E bo na sumo kumase ni nyina no ka uni wo ya we.
Sister Fia, mami ka be to. Sister Fia, mami come point so. Me, sister Fia be me free. Me ashama boy you.
Okay.
Canada po, me na ye juma da. Ye group na ye dey na fair great lions. Me catch them when me Michael. Bisa wa so ashama, ye be catch me dada. Come here, chicken in the pot of treason. Yeah, group. You fair Great Lions. Hambusi ni fear, the costos, ni fear come to 12. Me name me take the poor, the sitting room, and any casa 101. I have come because I can't me be. Only be a party no. Then I free mo. But then Lord call me. No organizer. Lord come no organizer. Lord call me mo. Only be a party no. Then I oh, then I ya call Cape Coast. Rama Benyado, you could accident when Yami Penka, Yami Pe, and I'm party no hunti. Yo, Master, Mammy come as a Susha, Master, Mammy family point in the Master, MPP for no. They were here, Cassa, Etia Baum, and no. And Yami comes, so in Kofu, I did MPP, I'm MPP for. I'm MPP for. I keep asking myself a question. Are there MPP people? But when the morning is sincere, what Christian first time I will lose you, and the morning away. And I come home, Kazama, country major, MPP and Imbium, Kamama country major, NDC, and Imbium. Mama, you're the vice president, or president. Kwaya Saba, say FN to Saba, Olusu, 2 times, and then Nakofado. And this is for protecting Saturday by Biom, and baby near Miboa.
Okay, yo.
So I didn't say yes, I did before I do it. Like I'm missing a Kalimpo. Why? I didn't. But now Korea 2 times and Akufado. Or enough. Or this is enough my on the young casa. This is enough my.
I think they Gushegu.
This is enough my.
Yeah, because of him.
This is on the young. So the potency when it comes to notness, they are not for MPP. Not they are for NDC. Not they are for NDC. They are not for MPP. Guy big Jawa Sam or the Muslim Nepal or Jama Sam or MPP. I'm not catching this. I'm only no. But party or don't even trouble Manu. But and this is a strong goal for and this is strong goal in Ashama. But I know one power Sama pa. But a Muslim no, or Jama MPP. The catcher is there. Part of a dom to trouble Manu. Most of them are to my NDC.
Okay.
The Zongos are not for MPP. Zongos are for NDC. And that is maybe who by myself or your MPP. I don't see my myself Muslim. So MPP no but job my Queen or Jikwanji my oh your MP no call you sit down the Ubemi Bawumia.
Okay. Yo.
Hey, Michael. What was it no Ubemi Bawumia? Yes, sir.
Yo. Michael Simobian blame me Bawumia. Bawumia cannot be the reason why. Wafa, Bacho Maminti, good evening.
Sister, good evening. Bacho Somotomi Kade. Good evening. Yakasa Yachen. Me Pacho Bebre, many MPP for. I speak to all of you. Me Pacho. We are giving NDC ammunitions to use against us. We are giving them ammunitions to use against us. Yenshia are being free if Papa is saying Ketia Honum. You're never going to hear these things coming out. You say Yenshia is saying Ketia. Or you're a seasoned politician. Maybe you see how they've free the honor. See, you're free the what and say she. We are baking ourselves, fighting ourselves, trying to talk all this about ourselves right in public. No. You see how we've been free as saying Ketiaho. To me, when we look at advertising, Nipa, the Dio Nipa, I think it's bawumia. The rest of the candidates, they will struggle. And anybody can bet me, they will struggle. If we bring any new candidate, they will struggle. In advertising, the people do not synchronize with independent. I dream be brain about me. All the things that yeah, homework well. We did something wrong. Let's go and fix it and bring him back. Sister, if your man was with us.
Yo, mama now I see baby wafa. No comment also make it. But mama canonim. You ever found next week producer so be shame pa because time now soon na me real time. Inti me pa mo chow Musa Adani Musa ne your friends na bampa chow. Next week we will continue this matter because I'm saying by now we'll be filing nominations. No, I think any bre aba game ni mo bia na dwen say I think abeyira tinganti ebere how ni nyina beko Osman Pacho my final thoughts any hopes in next week ebeko so Pacho 30 seconds me Pacho nyasa producer do be capture me.
But that's be brave. Let's just metie feedback be brave, and I believe say feedback in be brave now not a very emotional issue sir. The party for any be I express it. Me JD said we should not also be in the haste to blame certain causes. This is the fear. Just one example. Papa Alan Chemantin, Minister for Trade now. I've worked with Professor Jamba for a minister, so I had that relationship very well with in the office. So I went to the office to discuss a matter with him. One of the 8, they were denying people access to Alan Chemantin as at that time. This is the fear. They were denying people access to the man. It's a more creating more downfall. How many we not a party for to a man, no less than a better than same brain. Mess party for be. A lot of issues happened. A party for him. And I'm saying this today for the first time. And this 8, share platforms be brain. My cousin in him that. So and you want come support to Alan on the first prime minister not call and it's the fear. So sometimes politicians need to so no and now the cause your mom defeat within the MPP. We are the masterminding against them. They did this and more in this discussion. And finally, finally, the new patriotic party for more and that's the beauty of the new patriotic party. Obia betre na adwen mpewe nemo mesre kasefin say yebekase say enye we dia ye nye campaign ma we ya emmoa ye campaign na ye ni na emmoa ye party nkan kwoti no mesre mo menye campaign na campaign no honte ye tu wie na se Brian Champion obenya o eye Kennedy Japan obenya o Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no benya o ye nyine betai na chine aboa na edna 2028 na me de minyaaya enka party for do no nye den enka yen ho na ye ntoma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia